going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Greeny and Craig stream. I was going to say show and stream at the same time there.
Right.
Craig, we're waking up to just green, big green bars all over our charts. I love to see it. I mean, Farcoin is up 36%, guys. That is crazy. And guess what? We were, of course, we're in it. We're in that trade. So, Craig, how you feeling today, mate? It's great. It's always great when the market's kind of at least giving us some form of volatility, whether it's to the downside or whether it's to the upside. How are you feeling today, mate?
Yeah, Jim, Greeny, everybody. Yeah, it was nice to wake up and see some green. I was pretty stoked. We broke through some key levels as well, so we can probably chat about that, Greeny. Yeah, man, big Jim, and nice to jump on the final stream of the week with you and be up rather than down. We had 2 down this week and 1 up, so yeah, I'll take it, man. But I always know when Bitcoin's up. I don't even actually have to check the price because I'll just jump on the timeline and it would tell me. In fact, there's a Spaces going on right now saying we're so back. So I thought that might be a little bit presumptuous, but I like the energy and I like the positivity, and hopefully everyone's feeling a little bit better and not so down. I must admit, I like seeing the green. It might only be a little bit, but I'll take it. And good opportunity, like you said, to make some money, man, finally.
Yeah, man, it's great to see. It like yesterday, really, like over the past couple of days, it really became apparent. Sorry, I'm just looking. Literally, I'm trying to find this funny tweet that I did last night. About we are so back. I just have a lot of tweets. I mean, reply guy. I'm back to growth, Craig. I'm back to growth. Back to putting value out. Back to trading low cap tokens. I feel good. I feel good. I think change of scenery definitely helps. Like this, we got our gym yesterday. Being at the coast, it's more chill. It's so good. Like I'm really enjoying being up here. GMT Goldie. Excuse me. But yeah, feeling a lot more productive, feeling like keen to grind again. I lost a bit of that passion, but it's back.
It comes and goes. You just got to, it's very important in this market to monitor your energy levels, isn't it? Because you can take strains that you don't realize you're taking sometimes.
Exactly.
Just by being present and so-called grinding. But sometimes you got to take care of yourself because it's also longevity, isn't it?
Absolutely.
It's one thing to have a great month or great week or even a great year, but look after yourself and you can have a great decade.
Well, that's it. Like, Craig, we've been doing this full time now for 2 years, let's say. Like, it's coming up
like a decade in the corporate world, man.
Bro. And it's like, for me, it's coming up on the 2 year. Like, I started going ham on Twitter about 2 years ago. I had about 100 followers, I think, about this stage, maybe a little bit more, maybe 1,000 by now.
Yeah.
2 years ago. And it's great to see where we've come. But now I've got that passion back. Just speaking about we are so back, I like shout out to our friend Whale.mocha, Whale.swoosh. Legend. Last night.
No screenshots.
Oh, we are so back. No screenshots this time. So I went and searched his history to see how often he
says we're so back.
He said 15 minutes ago. He said 4 days ago. He said, like, what was that? 10 days ago. Then he said 20 days ago.
About 5 times in March so far.
He said we're so back like 5 times the past.
This is getting like Morad. What the fuck his name is?
Yeah, Murad. Yeah, Murad. I love it. But it's funny. This funny. MFers will buy a crypto bung and get an attitude smack my head. I love the little bands there from Whale this morning. Or
is he talking about you there?
Yeah, he's talking about me because I just literally took the screen. I didn't say anything. I just put that. You can have a bit of fun on the timeline sometimes. I think people take stuff way too seriously. Personally,
well, I mean, he can't talk too much. I've seen a couple of posts he put up that
engagement. It's all about
and for yaps. So he's not innocent. I'm not saying he's bad either. I think he's great.
Oh, I think it's great.
But he plays the game, man.
Oh, we all play the game. You all have to play the game.
And I think a bit of banter and a few jabs. I don't know. I don't mind a couple of jabs at me if it's kind-hearted.
Exactly. A bit of
funny. It's funny.
Friendly bands, Craig. I reckon it's good.
I like it.
Speaking of, here we have the market. So literally green everywhere except for Radium. Radium's actually down, but that's because it obviously pumped yesterday with the news that they're dropping a platform. Now, I bought GCG members. We crushed this trade. We're in we're in Cetus, which is up 11% today. I can't remember which other. We're in Rendo, it's up 5%. We're in Jupiter, which is up 6%. We're up BTC. We're in ETH. We're in Sol. They're all up 5 to 6%. So we're cruising. But we're also obviously we bought Pengu. We timed the literal bottom of Pengu. Can't believe that. No, I can't believe that because that's what we do. We trade. Farcoin, we're also in Farcoin. That's now up about 50%, I think, from our entry. Plus PVS has been pumping, a couple other little utility tokens that I love seeing on the timeline. So it's been good. It's been a good market here, Craig. So if we do take a look, a lot of what I started to notice yesterday, and I actually accumulated a bit of spot yesterday in altcoins. Now, I don't think we're out of the woods. I do think that we could still consolidate sideways for weeks, months, definitely. But yesterday really started to become apparent that a lot of either like top memes, like something like this, Bitcoin, or let me pull up some others, or top altcoins, right, were bouncing at key levels. Okay. So the first thing is like this swing low on Cetus to the swing high, bounce at a key level, set a really nice low there that I was like, well, that's a pretty clear low for me. We're now back above the 886 off the low fibs. And then there was also bullish divergences on multiple altcoins. So I was like, look, you can't get better signals than that. And Craig, I think we've spoken about this quite often, and Aussie as well in GTG. So many people were like, oh, the bear market's here. So they've completely changed their whole thesis around trading, looking for opportunities, and understanding how the market flows. We are deep in a bull cycle, guys. We are deep in a bull cycle. This is just reaccumulation or consolidation. Unless we start to lose absolutely chronic levels, okay? Unless we start to lose low, like 50K, maybe if we start to dip below 66K, I would maybe start to shift my thesis into maybe 2026, we see a bit of a rally. We have not done that yet. We are deep in a bull cycle. So anybody that wasn't looking for trades has really missed on this little rally. This anywhere from like, 5 to, it's probably 10% from yesterday, but 10 to 40, 50% on some of the lower cap stuff. Really pumped. And it was so clear. You had bullish divergences, you had support off levels. We grabbed liquidity at pretty low levels on the majors. BTC is trading a little bit differently. It's actually really interesting. ETH for GTG was a lot better of a trade. You had a clear range down the bottom, and then we have pumped obviously up into that range. So that's what we're looking at there is that beautiful breakout from that low time range. Very easy to set a stop loss, and then ideally we're targeting back towards 2.1K. If not, we can rally back into that massive support zone that we have obviously lost. We have lost this support zone on Ethereum, which has rallied since 2022. So it's good to see. Solana was a great trade. Shout out to Aussie for Solana. We're in that from about he ticked 118 or 120, I think he's in, and I got in about 123, maybe 124. But again, like as you can see, we have a long way to go. What I want to see for bullish continuation is we've got a high low here, but I want to start to see higher highs form again, Craig, and see us break out of this overarching trend, okay, where we have lower highs and lower lows. That is a shift of structure that goes, okay, we are at least attempting a rally here. We obviously had rates overnight, Craig, and the FOMC come out and say, yeah, look, we're not going to do anything in the short term. We have no interest yet. Inflation's still high. So, but that was priced in. That was easily priced in. It was 100% on the indicator that says that we weren't going to expect a rate cut or a rate pump. It was just going to stay neutral. So I think that also at least gave us insight. You obviously have Trump coming out today as well, saying that he has a digital asset thing that he's going to speak out in the near future. So again, you got to step it back, Craig. Like this is the most bullish time in history. And you have a dip like this on tokens, like sorry, I don't know, my throat, man. I'm so hyped that my throat's bloody.
You're getting too excited, Greeny.
I'm so phlegmy today. It's bizarre. So 61%, like Solana's down 61%. If you believe in the tech, you believe on the chain, and you believe that the bull market isn't over, no brainer. So I bought a fair chunk of Solana yesterday at 125. And then I bought some other tokens, Render, Cetus, Tau, Sui, Radium, AVAX. Only small positions, but I did buy some of those. But just to sort of offlay my BTC exposure and have a little bit more altcoin exposure again, outside the punk and the BTC, Craig. So I just went to town there, guys. There's a lot of alpha there, but it's great to see. It's great to see some volatility to the upside, Craig.
There is, and this time of the market reminds me a lot, and we've spoken about this before, but for those who are just tuning in, it reminds me a lot of the bear market when it transitioned to the bull. And there was a large amount of the timeline saying, no, guys, we've got another year of bear left. And Bitcoin was, slowly grinding up. And I started accumulating SOL. And I remember a few pretty prominent people saying to me in group chats, won't say names, but I said, look, guys, I think we're going up.
Yeah.
And the chat was like, "Oh, you're delusional. It's not a bull run yet. There's another year left of you're gonna wait for more downside, Craig." Everybody, in fact, I guess the prominent theme was, "I'm waiting for lower." Back then, and
Yeah.
lower didn't come, and that
And
was
same now, Craig. Same now.
exactly what's happening now. And now people are saying, "No, it's a bear market. We're in it. We're going." And it's. I was like, "Man, what are you talking about?" Like, I'm seeing nothing at the moment to say we're in a bear market, indicator wise. Sentiment, yeah, sentiment, but sentiment on the timeline's wrong most of the time. Otherwise, if we were right, we wouldn't be on the timeline, we'd be retired.
Exactly.
So don't listen to the timeline, guys, because fucking people on there don't have a clue, man. But looking at important levels, Greeny, I want to just ask Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
86K is pretty important. We're above right now, huh?
Correct. Yeah. There's some key levels like 86,
Rather than just say
89.
green bullish, right? Which
Yeah.
everyone can say. We got to look at. I think the important thing for people to understand, or if you're not a believer with TA and stuff, start to look at it because there is important levels, and Greeny and I do sort of operate on data rather than green feel good, red feel bad. And 86K is certainly important. So actually, when I woke up and saw it broke above 86,
Yeah.
I was like, this pump could be different.
So
This could continue, maybe.
I agree. We key levels right
It's
now.
like so
So
key right now.
yeah, we are above 86K, which is the bottom of the liquidity of that range that we stayed above. Like this little area here, we didn't really spend much time there, and then we literally just capitulated straight through it recently. Pumped back above it, capitulated straight through it. But we respected, as you can see here, we respected that level, okay? Because it also is the yellow line there, or the orange line, indicates a 200-day moving average. Now, that is key in a bull market or bear market as well. But as you can see, we rejected from the 89K, 91, sorry, the 91 level as well is massive as well. So I'll talk about that. But we are in along from about here. Stop loss is now a break even. I've moved all my stop losses to break even. We're printing. We're printing right now. Taking some profit off the table as well because you never know what can happen. But the daily close, which is in about 42 minutes, Craig.
Yeah.
If we close above the 200-day moving average, that is good. But you
I
want to
start the
see
party, man.
we want to see a little bit higher. Then close that next low is really important.
Yeah.
That is the important part of where this pump takes us. Now, if you look at stochastic momentum on a few things. Now, I want to just show you because Sex and I talk about this in GTG this morning on our live stream. A lot of like memes and stuff are approaching the daily overextension. So as you can see here on Filecoin, it is at 65 percentile. So more than likely, its move is coming to fruition in the near future, in the coming days, in the next week. Whereas something like BTC is trading a little bit less, like lower time frames. It's a bit hard to read, but swing trade here, break above, like pretty much your structure's there, and it's broken above that. But that's why we took the long. But if we reject from there, though, I want to see us try and close over the weekend and into early next week above that 200-day moving average, above 86K, and then our next target is definitely 91K. Now, Sexy would be angry if I didn't mention this. We could easily push up into this level, do kind of like a five-way Elliott wave structure, and then reject from there and actually set a new low at 76K. So that is also a possibility. So always be aware. Strong investors, good traders, they understand that the market can go up and they understand that it goes down. And you're being prepared for any scenario to take off, right? And that's why Craig took profit at 108K. That's why Greeny took profit at 98K. That's why I took profit on Solana at 260 because I was like, holy, I'm up $30 was my DCA all the way to 260. It can't do the math. What's that? 9x? A 9x just shy across the main bag. So I was like, wait, I've got multiple six figures in this. I need to de-risk this. This is way too much to be having.
You did, dude. Imagine
Exactly.
seeing it at 120, you would have felt sick.
Oh, I would have round tripped like
man, half your
multiple six figure bags. So that's the key. Like you want to make sure that you are aware of the levels to watch, and that's why TA is so important. Anyone that FUDs TA doesn't understand it. Okay, that's the key. All right. So if you want to
just quickly to summarize, Greeny, could we say break above 86? Continue up to about 91, possibly reject at 91, come back down, retest 86. And if we bounce there, we're probably on. Sexy, myself as well, are cautious about going to the 91, breaking below, and then breaking below the 86 and going back to mid 70s / high 60s.
Yeah, pretty much. Like if we reject from 91, it could very much be a move back towards 76, mid 76 region. That 89, this region here is possible so the GP of the all-time high, which is the swing high still, to our current low, the golden pocket is 93 to 89. So this is a big area, big area. You could probably add even one more analysis to it. Let me have a look at this quickly. Just bring up liquidity just to see where we are at. Yeah, okay, interesting. So if we have a look here, a lot of liquidity stacked at 109 because that's where everyone's shorting from or would short from again. This here, 97 is a bit of liquidity, and I can't really see where price is right now. Hold on. We're at 80. Where are we? 86. So yeah, there's a bit of liquidity here, but surprisingly, there's not much liquidity till 95. So okay, no, that's. I thought there might be a bit of a build up at 91, but there isn't. So there you go. So yeah, key levels to watch there on that. ETH is massive, right? ETH also needs to stay above. It's well below its 200-day moving average, but ETH needs to come back into this zone, right? Because this is, if I zoom out for you guys, this is such an important zone. Let me turn that off. Okay. Like this is a multi-year, multi-market level that we have now lost. Okay. So we want to see this kind of sharp reaction here. Maybe even something like this, like we retest little high, low, attempt that. Then like that would be the bullish catalyst for probably, like if you look at how much time that can take though, 26, like I'm in the camp, and we were talking about this in GTG yesterday. I'm in the camp that ETH might not outperform Bitcoin until next cycle. Even though it looks like it's bottoming against BTC, and we'll look at that shortly. But if you look here, we could easily reject from there. Time is the main thing that I'm worried about here. Yeah. Like if you have broken this probability that this chart pattern here is a classic non-biased directional breakout. So you could break up or you could break down, and we've obviously broken down currently. Is that a fake out? Time will tell us. But if we look at this chart though, like we are at the area at which I would expect a reversal, but look how long this could take. That is Feb, March, May 2026 before we could even attempt a breakout against BTC again, in my opinion. You'd have to have some massive change in market sentiment and fundamentals to see a massive shift, right? Like we could easily see something like this, okay, a little double low, reject, and then that's the bear market. Like it could easily do something like that and wait till 27 to attempt a breakout. So you need to be aware of that.
Yeah, it's not the prettiest chart. One of the viewers, S1, just said, "God, that ETH chart looks depressing." It does. It doesn't make for pretty viewing. And while Greeny just pointed up a bit of hopium there, there's a lot of levels to get through.
It's still got a long way to go. We're up a nice 10%, 20% off the low potentially. Let's have a look. We're up.
Just looks like ETH could miss the party, huh? It's going to be late to the party, possibly. Maybe not, but...
And I think a lot of people need to understand too, and we're chatting with Zeneca about this. We're chatting about Sexy in GTG about this as well. Like, if you want an altcoin season, Ethereum has to do well and XRP has to do well because they have such a large market cap exposure. You saw meme coins go crazy, but it didn't see altcoin season. Like BTC still outperformed everything. BTC dominance still pumped to 63% because it's not enough liquidity. It's not enough market share like Ethereum and XRP. So if Ethereum doesn't show strength, altcoin season is literally not going to happen. Now, of course, there will be exceptions. We've seen Solana go from $8 to $300. You've seen Sui go up on 11x over the past couple of months. So there are always going to be exceptions. It's just you need to be prepared that a full-on 2021 altcoin season where you could literally click anything, literally go and click anything, and it would pump probably 3 to 5x minimum, if not 10 to 20x. So I think that's a big shift in this cycle as well, Greg.
No, I totally agree. Definitely not as easy altcoin wise as last time, but then at the same time, it's a lot of it's possibly down to there's just so many options now.
Yeah.
Whereas before was like, oh, which altcoin, the things we used to discuss back in the day, back in the first bull was like, oh, okay, you bought Bitcoin. Okay, which big caps did you buy? Which mid caps did you buy? Which small caps did you buy? Yeah. That was the options. There weren't that many, like a couple of hundred, right? So everyone had the same options almost. So I guess all of us were piling into, say, the top 100 coins. Then we get exotic into the top, say, 200, 300, 400, 500, and they would pump. Now it's just so spread ecosystem-wise, chain-wise, like you said, a lot of that was on Ethereum, wasn't it? And now it's not. So yeah, so it's an interesting time. I guess it's a maturing time for the markets, and it's kind of, I guess, the market's finding its feet and seeing what it wants to do. But certainly, it's not as easy as Bitcoin pumps and ETH pumps, then big caps, mid caps, small caps, and you could kind of do it quite robotically. Now it's
so easy.
This coin pops off, then this old pops off, then this meme it's kind of like boom, boom, boom. It's quite
rotational,
a little bit more random.
Yeah,
rotation
and rotation. It's just been like, you think back to cycles like 2017, ICO, crypto was the first thing.
What were the ICOs like, Greeny?
Sorry?
What were the ICOs like?
It's just like, it was Scam City. Apparently, it's like over 70% of all ICOs launched were scams. Because I was such a novice, I only got involved in the majors. So that was like Litecoin, Dash, if anyone remembers Dash.
Yeah, I remember the name.
BTC. Like I bought Bitcoin, guys, at $300. Imagine if I had just and I was a uni student. I think I bought $1,000 of it, so I had probably like 3 Bitcoin. Imagine if I had just bloody hell. Hey, I wouldn't have outperformed my cycle trading this time, but still, it would have just been a great hedge on the long term. Like it just
$250,000 US.
Literally, I bought ETH at bloody $80, Craig. I remember seeing Solana at $3 the last cycle of 2021. So like, oh man.
I remember as well. I was working in the gym then, and a couple of the trainers. Actually, one of the guys has gone pretty big now, multi-millionaire trainer, Adam Sullivan, if anyone knows him out there. And I worked with him for a long time. Smart dude, and him and I used to chat. And he was coming in every day, going. I remember him saying it. I bought this new coin, Ethereum. And I thought he was an alien, pretty much with what he was saying. I was like, "What are you talking about?" And I think it was somewhere around the $30 mark. It was under $100. And I can remember back then, and he was the one into crypto and I wasn't. I was like, this sounds like bullshit. What's all this crap? And I wish I'd jumped on board with him back then, man. That would have been a good, 8 years ago or something like that. So there's a good question there, Greeny, from Alex.
Knowledgeable content as always. I've incurred so many losses trading on my own.
Tough one.
I'm new to trading. How can I make more profitable investments? Join GTG. We'll teach you.
Yeah, without incurring much losses, man. I think the easiest.
That's the secret, Alex. I don't know if that's a bot because it sent it twice.
I know it's pretty. It's quite well. I was waiting for them to give the seed phrase. You know how you get that spam all the time.
Yeah.
I need your help. Here's my seed phrase. It's like, man, what the?
I know, crazy.
Buy Bitcoin, Alex. DCA into Bitcoin, and you'll be fine.
So okay. So the market's doing really well. It's great to see. We've covered that pretty in depthly around opportunities about levels to
Bitcoin.
Watch.
Just sorry to cut you off. 86,700.
Are we pumping? We're still pumping. Let's have
we're going into the daily close. Sexy guys.
Oh, dude, look at that pump. That is really nice.
Chat. You could see me get excited here. I haven't been excited in a while, but I'm starting to feel a little bit excited.
I know. Well, look, it's good to have volatility. Like I said at the start of the show, we finally have some volatility. Yes, it's to the upside that we all want, okay? But sometimes volatility to the downside also presents opportunities as well.
Correct.
So big levels to watch. Big levels to watch today on the show. Just notably, PVS is one that I've called in GTG way down here at 3.6.
I saw that pump.
Milli. It hit 18 mil overnight, so it's a clean 5x so far. Very utility-based token that's working with very big companies out there. So I'd highly recommend everyone checks it out. Tokenomics are clean. Had a few comments yesterday that said, Greeny, have you checked out the tokenomics? And I said, yes, and they're clean. And then so I put up a post this morning just to provide some clarity around that because people don't do their own research and then they just create FUD or unnecessary FUD, let's call it. So that's noodling in the background. I actually haven't taken any off the table yet. So it's sitting in a nice position. I do think I could hold that quite for a while, actually, as a utility play. So really interesting there. Yaps continue to go up to 880. Only 3 yaps. That's not very nice in the past 24 hours, but just noodling in the background. Create your content, guys. Grow your brand. Okay, that's all pivotal. Okay. What I've really found is if you can engage some of the top yappers, top Kyoto people, you get better yaps. It's pretty clear that is a trend at the moment. But Craig, we've really been enjoying Abstract the past couple of days. We spent a bit of time on RecTech yesterday. I'm seeing a few other people really. Hold on, let's go down here. Really discuss a few other of these. What do you want to call them? DApps and games and stuff on here. Like Roach obviously is fun. We might do a bit of a roach race in a minute, but Captain and Company was that game that we saw that streamer yesterday playing, Craig. So it is on Abstract.
Ah.
And there's a couple others on here. Penguin Life is coming out as well. Multiplier, On-Chain Heroes has been really good. Myriad, if you want to do some prediction markets, could be a bit of fun. But what I've noticed with engaging with a lot of top Abstract XP earners, and I'm talking people that earned 100,000 XP last week, is they're using it every day. So they're streaming every day. They're using the dApps. What I want to know, and some of them have the bonuses. Some of them have the bonuses. Now, a lot of them don't have bonuses. They only have small bonuses. But what they're doing is actually probably putting a lot of money through the platform. So I'd love to. I'd like, oh man, I'm such an analytical person. I love diving into this sort of gamification of things. But I assume, Craig, that it's a combination of a few things. Like we discussed, it's probably, if you can, buy a Pudgy or buy a little Pudgy. If not, buy some Pengu. I think it's it's maybe like $600 now to get the lowest tier, maybe $6,000 for the highest, the mid tier, and then $60,000 for the highest tier. Obviously, if you're not elite chat initially in the Discord, then you can't qualify for those. But it's about trying to farm and get all of these here. Let's trying to tick off all of these badges, which unfortunately Greeny has missed a few badges, and the witty one has just expired as well. So I didn't actually get to put some money on there and have a go. It actually looked fun, not gonna lie. So yeah, if you engage on here and get as many badges as possible, as you can see, so I've done about half. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I've missed 5, and I've got 2, 4, 6. I'll go to 7. So that's all right. I mean, I want to keep doing it. You aren't eligible for perks yet. Interesting. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I'm not either.
But yeah, pretty much that's the key, guys. As you can see, I've got a little bonus here. But if you did want to buy a little Pudgy for about an ETH, 7.5 will get you a little bonus. Big Pudgy is about 9 ETH at the moment for a 50% bonus. Can't qualify for those other ones. But Pengu seems a no-brainer here, Craig. Like for $6,000, if you're a bigger wallet person, you might as well buy it here at the lows. If not, $600, and you can get a little bonus as well over on the side there. So that's my thing. As you can see, I've only got $5 on here, so I'm going to be depositing some money today. And spending a bit of time on here as well. Streaming is important, I think, as well. I think, like, if you're a streamer, you might as well be streaming on here and giving it a go. Only 2 watches. Come on. What is going on? What is going on?
Yeah.
What's going on? Hey, come and watch a stream on Abstract.
See that dude dressed up as Sonny, bloody Sam Bankman.
You might as well be streaming on here and giving it a go. Hold on. I'm going to put this in the chat. Get off somewhere else and go watch that. Go watch that in Abstract, guys. Support me there. So yeah, that's streaming's a no-brainer. I think if you enjoy putting your content out there, you don't even have to show your face. A lot of people don't show their face in streaming, so you don't have to do that. But that's probably where I'm spending a bit of time, Craig. And I'll probably do that today. What are you looking at specifically? Anything like that on Abstract?
I'm just going to go through, I think, and jam all these games.
Yeah,
I'm just going to play. I might just go and do 5 minutes on every one. See if I can farm that XP, because I think what did I get last week? I only got about 600 last week, and that was me streaming. So I'm going to stream this week and play all the games like we've been doing this week, and hopefully I only need. What do I need to enter silver? I think I need less than 100 XP, man.
Love it.
Silver. So I will. You know what's really annoying, man, is I didn't buy the Pingu when we streamed last week, and it just keeps fucking going up. And every time I wait on stream, I'm like, I'll just chill, let Bitcoin dump, and it's fucking pumped. So I'm going to wait again, man, because I'm like, actually, what's it looking like? What's that chart looking like? Where am I?
Hold on. What's happening? I'm just trying to move my desk down. It's glitching.
Being a pussy with this purchase, though, my God, it's
Angry Chart still bottomed, like hasn't pumped too aggressively. It's only up 5% today. So yeah, I think if you're in it for the long haul, and I do think that Abstract's going to be the token's not going to come out for at least probably 2 months minimum. So I think
that's a good amount of runway still, isn't it?
Exactly.
Really, 2 more months would be ideal, I reckon.
Yeah,
timing wise, I'd like 2 months.
So, Craig, as you can see, if you stream Roach, or not even stream, but if you play Roach Racing, you get more of these little unlock things every day that you come in. So we'll claim 75 today, guys.
Are you going to jump on Roach, are you?
I'm going to jump on Roach here. I like this game. Plus, RecTech was fun, so I'll play that. I don't know if I'll have any money left, though. I shouldn't have gambled at all yesterday.
Yeah. Here we go. Claiming 75 somethings for my Roach.
Oh, we just dumped. I just missed a mad dump. Mad dump on the 30-second chart, guys. Mad dump. So I've got my charts.
How did you change your name to Greeny on that roach?
It must be in the profile section.
Because I was looking for that yesterday and couldn't.
Or abstract. I don't know. It is somewhere I did. Keep loading. Oh, dude, wait. What is this? The charts change. The track change. Oh, it's kind of sick.
Like a Pengu. It's like a
Pengu in force. I like that. I like that a lot.
Anyone you know in there? I wish I could see CZ the leaper. Oh, there you are, Greeny.
No, I can't see anyone that I know in there. Let me know, guys, if you are enjoying this game. All right, they're nearly going to finish here, guys. All right, so the market's kind of chilling. I got my tab over here, guys. As you can see, there you go. I got my tab up. All right, here we go. What is this Pavine guy? Excuse me. Oh, okay, race is finishing. All right, cool.
Jumping in as well.
Oh, I don't know what's a long it. Okay, I'm gonna long. Give me a juicy long. Oh, we're pumping. Oh, little 2x up, little 3x.
Oh, crack up if I was here with you.
Let's go. I think I'll long again here. Looking at CCI stochastic. This is what I mean. I'm like, oh, give me the pump. Okay, we'll close that for a little 4x this time. Love it. All right, we're pumping. We're so far out of here. Let's go. Keep on going. Now I'm a bit tricky now. Stochastic probably still has room for higher. I'm gonna long again. Here
we go.
Could come down a little bit here though.
I'm on ETH again.
That must be just your roach, Craig.
Yeah, I know. Oh, ETH is pumping. You're kidding.
ETH's been the good token today. Oh, dude, multiple altcoins are up. Like, oh, dude, I've messed up the win. Coming second. Oh, can I hold it?
Let's go, pumpy.
I'm gonna get second.
Don't pump. Ah, yes.
Oh, just. Edge. Oh no, I came first. Wait, what? I came first. Let's go.
Margin thumper.
Let's go. Okay, little short.
Run along.
Oh, we're pumping.
Margin thumper.
I'm trying to work out what time frame this is on. Oh my god. No, I'm gonna close that.
No.
I'm gonna reshort from higher. Oh, print it. Oh, it's been pumped.
Don't pump.
Well, I'm gonna hold this one a little bit longer here.
Fuck, it's pumping. ETH, you piece of shit.
All right, I'm gonna hold this a little bit longer.
I got third place.
Dude, I reckon my roach is faster now, Craig, because I.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I upgraded it. Little bonus.
Oh, Ethereum's destroying me today. Pumping.
It is pumping. BTC's 86.
Ethereum's destroying me.
I'm just gonna noodle here.
Oh, I'm like walking. I'm doing so badly.
I don't really have a read on the chart right now.
Here we go.
Am I gonna get him on the line?
Go, Craig. Nah. Yes.
Third place. Not bad.
5x. Run. You dirty little
I think I'll short this. Risky. I like it though. Oh, there it is. Oh, huge short, guys. 5.6x.
Yes. Coming first.
Let's go.
Margin thumper.
Let's go. Probably short here again.
Yes. Shorted. Craig's gonna win. See you, Howie.
I missed
it.
Oh, now we're pumping.
Yes. Oh, second place.
I'm trying to work out what time frame these candles are on.
Hey, Luciano, if you're listening, shout out. Great win.
Oh, we get a little dumpola. I'll take the profs and I'll quickly get back into another short. Yeah, I want to get into another short here.
I reckon this is going lower. Dump Ethereum. Oh no.
I'm gonna take the profs. So I'll come second here. That's all right. Hey, that's top three finishes.
Dump.
I like it.
Margin thumper.
Craig, I wonder how they track that you're on the platform.
Yeah, good point. You mean like time or?
Yeah, like how do they know that I'm playing this game right now? Like, to gain XP.
Good point. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, that's a big short. Should have kept it. Oh, big dump bowler. Might buy that. Yeah, take the profs. Oh, nailed the bottom. Okay. Again, I'm gonna long it.
Long it, dude. Let's go. Yes. No.
Give me a little. Oh, there we go. 4x. Oh, guys, this has been nearly the perfect race. Just quietly. This is nearly been the most perfect race.
Have you won one today, Greeny? Have you won a race?
Yeah, I won a race, and I'm about to absolutely flog the crowd, Craig. That's nearly record time, guys. 49.57.
Really?
That was I flogged him by 4 seconds. I nailed 3 trades on it.
Here we go. Long. I'm in a massive long.
Oh,
yes.
Wait, Craig. It says that. Wait, what's your name?
Margin thumper.
Are you in my race or not? Because I've got ETH roaches in my race.
Yeah, I know. That's what's weird. Like, I'm not in your race, but I saw ETH in yours before, and I've got Bitcoin in mine.
That's weird, man. That's weird.
So how do I get into your race? I wish I could add you as a friend.
Yeah, that would
First
be good.
place, you beauty. Sorry, Luciano Date. Not today, Howie the dog. Let's go.
I might.
Actually, I'm going to short there.
We're at the top of a little range here.
Oh, Ethereum.
We could.
Here we go. Shorting.
Short a little bit.
Oh, it's going to pump. Go dump.
Looks like we want to break high here. There we go. Little short. Take the dub.
See you, suckers.
Oh. I'm going to stay in the trade. Oh, Craig, I won 3 out of me 4 races, mate.
Did ya?
Yeah, see, trader. I'm a trader.
Here we go. Margin thumper. Last race. Let's see where I go. I'm going to long.
There we go, chat. Hope you enjoyed that one.
Did you do your 5 races?
I did. Oh, dude. Good true. Tip me 400 Pengu. Legend.
Did he?
Legend.
Let's go. I'm going to long it. Don't catch me. No. 3rd place.
Legend.
What did I get?
Legend.
That's got to be it. Here we go. What did I get? What the hell?
Legend.
This round, 49 seconds.
Put on charge. This roach needs to be recharged to run again. It put on charge to start restoring the energy. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Have you upgraded your one quite a lot, Greeny?
So I'm up to this, Craig, where I'm up. My energy gain is 60. My energy limit is 100. So I don't know what these mean.
60 and 100.
I don't know what energy limit means. Does that mean I can play more often potentially? So what if I do that?
Oh yeah, I'm on 400 and 100 now. Oh no, hang on. 115 and 60.
I'm upgrading my limit. Yeah, I don't have enough funds now.
But I went pretty crazy.
Oh, upgrade. Let's do this one. Upgrade successful. Amazing. So now my roach has an energy limit of 110. I assume then it allows you to run faster and play more often.
Often, yeah.
I did see someone put out a really BTC is pumping 87K in the house, guys. Live on stream. Here we go.
Wow.
87. I'm on the 15-second chart.
Let's go, man. We got the daily close in 17 minutes as well.
Oh,
so.
87,050. Oh, we are pumping.
Come on, man. Like, I want to be on the live stream one day, Greeny, for a God candle for Bitcoin, like an absolute, like a 10K, 20K God candle, just one time live. I've seen other streamers get it a couple of times.
That's crazy.
And it must feel fucking good. And especially if they're leverage trading.
Yeah.
It's amazing to watch live someone just go, "Bock, I just made tons of money then."
Yeah.
In a God candle. Oh, man. Must feel good, Greeny. Must feel good.
Oh, mate, it would be so good. I mean, it's more likely they probably catch a God candle to the downside.
That's what I'm thinking as well from this position. But yeah, I want to feel the rush one day.
Ninja says, what was the PBS FUD you've seen? Just people came out yesterday and today just saying the tokenomics were manipulated, but they're not. And then this morning there was a tweet saying that the liquidity is being pulled, but it wasn't. They actually added liquidity and it was FUD. So yeah, make sure you read between the lines, actually do your research. Ninja.
Yeah.
If you knew, what do you reckon? 40-year-old Degen from Coinbase 2. Damn, I'm not sure what you're asking. If you knew, what do you reckon? As in, if you're new to crypto, buy and hold BTC. That's the key, mate. And then if you spend time in some communities, check ours out. We got a little sale at the moment if you wanted to jump in. But yeah, find yourself a community and enjoy, because that's where it's in the chat there. That's where we communicate with each other and a whole group of people. So yeah, BTC is up 87K, guys, live on stream. Love to see it. I won 4 out of me races, Craig. I'm just like, here, wait, can I not add you as a friend? But you've already played, so I wonder. Here, I'll send this to you and see if this does anything. I send the private chat.
Gotcha.
See if that works and that adds you as a friend. Because right now I can't like add you as a friend either. You can earn some more MTGN as well if you do some of these tips and these missions. So yeah, that was fun. Doing.
Nah, didn't connect us in any way.
Weird. That's so weird. All right. Amazing. Well, let's go find another game. Let's see if I have any Rectech cash left or not.
Rectech. Oh yeah. I got you.
Because
Got jump in that as well.
yesterday I might have gambled it all away. Hold on, where's the Rectech app? Oh, you can search it. All right, there we go.
What do we got? Rectech.
Okay. Here we go. All right, game 2 of 3. Oh, Devil Rug. Oh, wait, it closed. Result, tournament points 240. Oh, I didn't know you earned points. Oh, sick. Wait, how do I go back? So, Craig, there's a new game. Let's go.
Is there?
So I'm currently 8,000th overall for points. What are you, when you go in there, what are you currently?
Mine, it's not picking up that I've played. Well, maybe
you
I need
connected your abstract wallet and everything?
Oh, yeah, I need to re-sign in.
Yeah.
For some reason.
There you go. I'm ranked 8,100 out of 10,700 people. So that I'm in the 80th percentile, guys. We got to change that. So here we go. Average minds.
Oh, here we go.
Admit, I love that. These are kind of fun gambling things.
I'm number 4,700 and something because I didn't blow my port like you did.
Oh, that's why I blew me port,
I
Craig.
was 500. I only lost half my money, not all of it.
Dude, I shouldn't have done that. I would have been way higher. Okay, submit a number between 1 and 1,000 you believe will be equal to or below the average of all submissions. Okay, hold on.
Oh, there's
submit
a cat.
A number between 1 and 1,000 you believe will be equal to or below the average of all submissions. So does that mean the average of, if you have 10,000 people, hold on, I'm going to chat GPT this. If you have 10,700 people, okay, hold on, yeah, okay. What should I pick? Let me prompt this. Oh, it won't let me copy, goddamn. So yeah, here we go.
Me in the chat?
You choose 500, the average is 600, you get 500 points. Not submitting a number results in 0 points and exclusion from the average calculation. If your number is above the average, you earn 0 points. When the game ends, the average of all submitted numbers will be calculated. If your number is equal to or below the average, you earn points equal to your submission. Okay, I see. So submit a number between 1 and 1,000 you believe will be equal to or below the average of all submissions. Oh, so everyone has to put in it. Oh my god. Okay. Let's prompt this. Okay. 10,700 people have to pick a number between 1 and 1,000. If you pick below or equal to the average number of all submissions, you win. Predict what number based on probability I should input into my submission for the best chance to win. All right, let's see what ChatGPT says.
What's the safest number to pick, you reckon?
Oh, dude, I don't know.
It's hard, man, because you only get the points that you put. So if you put 1, which is the safest, you only get 1.
Exactly. So the problem is related to game theory and iterated reasoning, similar to Keynesian beauty contest. What? I didn't know about that. So basic expectation, everyone picked randomly, the average would be around 500. Correct, because that's the midpoint. Right? However, players know they need to pick below or equal to average, so many will choose a lower number. Reasoning. Players anticipate the average will be less than 500. Choose numbers between, say, 250 and 400. Others anticipate this and go even lower, 200 to 300. This cycle continues as people try to outthink others. In similar contests, the winning number often converges around 1/3 to 1/2 of the range. Okay. Yeah. Reasonable expectations 200 to 300. Okay. However, real world submissions often cluster lower than theoretical expectations due to overthinking. People overthink, mate. The psychology, human psychology is fascinating, guys. Fascinating. Based on probability, a safe bet would be around 200. If you want to push it slightly lower, be safe. A safe number between 180 and 220. Craig. Oh, okay. Craig, what are you going to choose?
I went 69. I was going to go 420, but it felt a bit high.
Oh, shit. You can actually see the chat.
Yeah, I'm writing. Can you see me writing in there?
Wait. Oh, yeah, you can. Dude, no way.
Yeah.
Yo, what's good?
Funny, eh?
Come watch my stream.
I know. I see Crypto T in there. I'm like,
Yeah, I know.
he's everywhere on this platform, man.
Okay. Stop doxing your numbers. Okay.
999.
I'm gonna go 175 if I can get it. Oh, it's not gonna let me. I go 176.
You can type the number at the top.
Oh, dude, I pressed 176.
Yeah.
All right, 16 hours. There you go, guys. There's my evaluation. Going for a chickie. I need to win some points because I didn't realize it accumulated, Craig. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot because I would have ranked so low on this. Damn, man.
What do you mean it accumulates? Oh, every day you get a fresh.
So that's how you get the pudgy. I thought the game, the Devil Rug, is how you win the pudgy and you had to be first. No, it was the points that you got from these 3 different games. And that is whoever has the top points after that. And as you can see, I'm currently only 8,124th. The person that's number 1 there wins the pudgy. I misunderstood.
Okay.
But okay, so that's all you can do at RecTech right now, guys. It looks like dashboard. Let's have a look. Yeah, if you want to play more, you've got to buy a Dream Pass. Popularity contest. I assume I can't play without Dream Pass. Yeah, I mean these are only 0.2 soul, so maybe it's worth dabbling. Oh, here you go. You get a little multiplier with XP, but how do you gain at the top of? I assume I'd have to buy this thing. I assume. These are obviously the games that they cycle through. Devil Rug, Death Race, Blackjack. Oh, yeah, dude, I'd love to play a bit of Blackjack.
Blackjack would be cool.
Popularity contest. I don't know how that works, but I will look to buy earn XP loop multipliers eligible for Dreamer allow this. I don't know what Dreamer allow this if you buy the pass. Like if we had a look at this yesterday, they're at 0.2. Are they pump? Oh my god, Craig, they're pumping.
What's pumping?
This dream thing, RecTech. They're pumping, Craig. All right, I'm going to buy one. Wait, why can't I? What? Log in. Is my wallet not logged in? Why is it Magic Eden? I don't want to. Here we go. All right, we're logging in now, finally. All right. Connect. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, can I buy one? Oh, why is it on BTC, bro? Don't be on BTC. Why is it connected to my BTC wallet? Goodness me.
Yeah, Magic Eden's a pain like that.
Dude, Magic Eden sucks, bro. Come on. I don't want this. I want to be on
bullshit of wallets and chains.
How the hell do I go back to it? Doesn't even let me swap.
Oh, daily close 7 minutes, 86, 800.
86.8. That's a key level. Details.
Come on, baby.
Not what I want.
Just give me 109,000. Let's just be done with this shit.
Dude, has Magic Eden changed their whole bloody website or something? The way you connect? What? Maybe it's because I was on where's Salt? There it is. Hold on. What the hell is all this? Dude, Magic Eden sucks.
You might have to log out, log back in.
Like I literally clicked Phantom. I signed the message with Phantom and then it connected me to my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, I'm finally in. Okay, I've got 2.9 Salt. Love it. Okay, I love it. All right, here we go. Craig, I'm gonna buy one of these, I reckon, just to play.
What does it let you play? What game?
All the games that they have, I assume.
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe I'll just buy one then. It's
so. Can I play now? I have. You need a Dream Pass to play. Full access. Well, do I need to refresh this now? Let's have a look. Oh, hold on. Yeah, no, sign in. Connect. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. You connect your wallet. Yeah, easy. Here we go. Okay, connect your wallet. Successfully linked wallet. This cannot be changed. Okay, now I just bought one, bro. I just bought one. Okay, let's refresh. Switch to Dream Pass. You need to switch to Dream Pass. Oh, here we go. Choose your username. Craig, we have progress. Username is not available. What? Greeny trades is. All right, cool. I'm in. Can I play this game? Oh, I can play now. Let's go. Okay, I'm starting to get a bit of abstract exposure, Craig. This is good. Getting bloody epic store stuff in the background. Okay, here we go. So how to play. So this, okay, just why Craig and I are spending time doing this for everyone that's watching is because Abstract will, without a doubt, if you can get into the top 100 XP earners, you will earn a 5-figure bag minimum, in my opinion, if not more. If you think back how good Pengu was, I really don't see why top XP owners who have been using the platform for a couple months aren't the heaviest rewarded people with the tokens. Craig, thoughts?
Yeah, agreed. I'm on the same. I'm on the same boat. I think this one might catch people off guard.
I agree, and
I think this will be better. I feel like the lack of hype. There's not heaps of people on the timeline writing threads about how they're earning XP this week. Not a lot. Way more on Yaps. There's way more people on Yaps farming.
And that's already had its first. And I mean, Craig, we walked away you got a juicy. How much did you get? 2, 5?
$3,000 US.
Yeah, I got $8,000 US. That's stupid. That's stupid.
$8,000 US.
Twitter. And then I've got I probably got nearly another $2,000. I got a 5-figure bag across Kyoto so far. It's crazy. Crazy.
Oh man, especially when we've spoken about it before. When the market's like this, the opportunities are less, the wins are less, and some people might go, "Oh fuck, $3,000, that's not much." Yeah, but it's $3,000 on top of all the other wins. Exactly. It all compounds, man.
It's
$3,000's not dead, Greeny. That $3,000 I'll flip into $8,000.
Well, yeah, but also, Craig, it's $3,000 that you never would have had, and you are doing what you would normally do, and you got paid $3,000. It's pretty crazy.
Correct. It's kind of getting paid to post, which is nice, because you don't really get that much.
That's correct. That is correct. All right, so here we go. So popularity contest. Drag each answer to where you think it ranks. The average ranked is based on all players' rankings. Earn points based on how closely each item rank matches to the average rank. For each of the items, you can earn the following. Perfect guess, 250. Off by 150. Off by 2, 0. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Which chain will have the most activity 12 months from now? Oh my God. Put Sonic up. Barry has a lot of. Is this a trick question, Craig? Is this a trick question? Do you put abstract at the top?
What's the green?
What is Unichain?
I don't know, man.
I think Eclipse actually looks kind of epic. These are all ones that are on Kyoto, actually. Eclipse Crypto. I think Eclipse, Innovation Layer 2, Solana Virtual. Yeah, no, actually, I rate that one. Might put that above. Monad. I don't think Monad's going to go that good. Monad volume compared to Bearer Chain. Monad raised 225 mil. Bearer Chain only raised 100. Bearer Chain's already live. So if Monad keeps pushing it later, I'll go Monad above Bearer Chain, but then Eclipse above them. Yep, kind of like that. And Sonic, I think, will be good. I think there's a lot of love about Sonic. Unichain, I have no idea. No. Who are these people? Hey, friends. When's this? So this ends in 16 hours as well. All right, is that all I can do? Okay, so I'm in that. Play. Yeah, cool. Abstract in a year? Yeah. I don't know about that. I think it's a trick question though. I'm gonna put it first. Okay, so I've done that. Can I earn some more XP, please? Please. Wait, my multiplier went down. What the hell? It was at 1.02. Now it's at 1. Oh, it's because I hadn't linked my profile, maybe. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Should have done that yesterday. Okay. Oh, you earn XP by doing this. Okay, so connect Twitter. Okay, I'll connect my Twitter. These also are up 2x yesterday. Literally yesterday, Craig. These were at 0.2 Sol, and now they're at 0.4.
Oh, they doubled.
Yeah.
We looked at it yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, we literally looked at it yesterday, Craig.
Pumping. All
right, I'm going to like this. So let's go back here. I'm going to like some of these things. Okay, I'll like. Okay, I liked it. Retweet. I'm not retweeting, bro. I don't retweet shit. Tweet this. What do I need to tweet? Did it for my blood type. Get your dream house here. How much XP do you get? All right, I did verify that. Okay, cool. Oh, it worked. Okay, weird. It worked, even though I didn't do it. Who's this Punk I'm following? I'm following a Punk. Hope he follows me back. Punk should follow Punk, so I want to see that. And then I'll do the last one too. There's a bit of XP. Follow whoever this person is. Caesar. Rectech. Legend. Oh, there we go.
Abstract.
Okay. All right. Well, I've done 5 out of 6 challenges, guys. So did I earn XP? Oh, XP 130 with a multiplier of 1.01. Okay. I've done that. Can I do the death race? No, game finished. Yeah, damn. Damn. I wonder if that's Tyler D actually at the top there of that one. Death Race. So you can only play one game per time, unless abstract. What's this game? Oh, average minds. I already did this. Wait. Oh, wait. Do I have to do it again? Maybe I have to do it again, Craig, because I hadn't connected my actual thing. All right. Back. Rank points.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, dude, Craig, it's because, oh my God. It's because I didn't actually rank myself. I created a profile, but I didn't connect it with the pass, which means I didn't earn any XP on the devil rug. Oh, I'm such a bot.
Oh.
So we both messed up there. Such a bot. Okay. Well,
Has
anyways.
anyone played Abstract Madness by Bearish?
All right. Is this back on the platform? Let's have a look.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what the F is going on with it. How do you even do it? It's
Okay.
like a basketball game, but I don't think it is.
All right, here we go. Which one?
Abstract Madness with a bear on it. Can you? Yeah, you got it.
Okay, lock in and win. Log in to participate. Okay. Does this show my if I stream? Yeah, it does. Okay. Let me just can I use my abstract wallet? Yeah, I'd prefer to do that, I think. Okay, I'm in. Oh, wait. What are my brackets? Creative management, a torment, brackets minted. Is this what easy and stuff have been talking about?
Oh man, I got no.
I actually think it is.
Is it?
If I knew it was this, I would have done it.
You have successfully joined Bearish Randomizer Free Roll. Your bracket has been created. What's a bracket though?
Join a bracket pool to compete for prizes.
What the hell is a bracket?
I assume it's like, I think it's actually prediction. Oh wait, whoa! What is this?
There's a lot.
So these are. Oh, I don't know, guys. I'm a bit confused here.
Yeah, there's a lot of numbers and wallets.
Hold on, Dgen Pengu. Let's look at this one. Enter with Pengu, lock in and win. Someone donated my Pengu, so I put it to good work. So join the pool. What? You get paid. This pool is top heavy payout structure. 9% of entry fees go directly to prize pool. So wait, what? Wait, what? Yeah, it's correct. It's predictions in sports, Craig. In basketball, I believe, is my understanding.
Okay.
I could be wrong.
Oh, there's heaps. There's heaps.
Oh,
so it's just user created.
God. Do I have 1,000?
Oh, so people can do like sports betting.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, cool. So it's kind of like I don't know what I'm trying. We're like a footy comp at work and stuff like that. You could even do. And
all right, I'm just going to do it. I don't even know if I have enough money in there. Oh, it wants me to verify. Goodness.
I should create a pool.
Yeah, but then you got to shill it, I think. So I'm going to join one. I just joined the Pengu one. Yeah, I don't know if this is what Easy was talking about or not.
Oh, what was the daily close? Oh, we're up.
87.3. Oh my God. Chat, we're flying.
Fantastic.
Daily close. Where did we get?
We're
Huge. Daily close was 86.9, but we are flying.
Yeah.
Flying.
Oh, yeah.
Love it.
Enjoy, chat. We're green, baby.
Okay.
We are green.
Wait, did this work? Did I just not have enough? Execution reverted for unknown reason. Weird. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, I don't know. Weird, man. Weird. Leaderboard about. Tournament begins. Hold on. Is this? Let me just go to Discord. Give me a sec. Is this what Easy? Anyone in the chat? Is this what Easy's been bloody talking about with brackets and stuff? Minor announcements. Where is it? You need brackets. Men's basketball games. CBS. No. It's CBS. Yeah, no. He's doing it not via abstract. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, cool. Huge, Craig. We're getting I don't know if we'll break out here. I'd love to see it, but I don't know if we'll get there. Today. But this is good. That's a good daily close. That was a strong daily close. Where's the 200-day moving average? Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, I know. It'd be nice if we just got some continuation, man. The market just sent.
Yeah.
Everyone was thinking it. Did you just put a post up about? Oh no. Okay, Dave, it wasn't you. What's the fear and greed at the moment?
Oh, I think it's pumping actually.
Is it going up now? People starting to reset again. Ooh, someone put a fat long on Farcoin.
Oh, dude, you would have
Yeah,
printed.
Uni PCS, that bonk guy. Okay, bonk guy.
So that's the first close, daily close back since in 3 weeks that are back above for the 3 weeks. Bullish. I just need to check when I last tweeted.
Fear and greed neutral. Okay.
But it's up.
Nah, good times.
But great. Here we go. I got a perfect follow-up tweet to the neutral to the neutral fear and greed index.
Yeah. We are so back.
Yeah, no, I should do that and tweet Wow's picture. But yeah. All right, lined up a couple tweets.
Good man. Hey, are Doodles starting to tease their token a bit more again?
Are they?
Yeah, Burnt Toast is starting to tweet again, so we might see a Doodle. Well, we are seeing a Doodle token. We know that already, but
15% on the week. I love the art. Like I'm a big color guy. Like I love color. As you can see, like my doggo board is colorful. Like that artwork there is colorful. I love color. I think I don't know. I just enjoy color. So doodles, I love doodles. Like they're just so clean.
Yeah, no, I like them. There's certainly there's cool ones. I like the bucket hat, the Siggy bucket hat up the top there. Like there's just some of them are cool. Like even because they, in a way, they're kind of dorky too. But there are still ones that are still kind of slightly more edgy.
Yeah.
So you can't like that cat bucket. That's cool.
You know what? I actually think I bought a doodle at about 2.5 ETH. I would be in profit. I'd like way back. I think.
No, I never got one. The skull ones too. There's some cool ones, eh?
I'm just looking at the different backgrounds.
That balloon's great. Just the balloon with the Siggy. Fuck, that's good.
So clean. So clean.
And an ape. There's even an ape one.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. No. I never looked at the rares of these.
They're very clean. I'm a massive fan. I'm a massive fan of doodles. I just don't think them having a token is the way forward.
We've seen that how that all pans out now.
Yeah,
exactly. I don't think it's the merry-go-round you want to go on again. Really, if you're a flipper, it's hard. It's hard.
Yeah, exactly.
I'd rather just DCA Bitcoin and move slow.
Yeah, I love that. Well, anything else to explore today, Craig? Are we happy with what we've covered today? We saw a BTC close above 86.9K for the first time in a while, above the 200-day moving average for the first time in 3 weeks. So that's bullish.
Also, all the influencers are starting to say, well, that was the bottom. We're on our way up. So that's great, Greeny. They are now bullish in the market. Imagine.
You want to be bullish at the lows, Craig.
Welcome back, influencers. Welcome back, man.
Craig, I forgot to do this when BTC had the close.
Hey, PO.
Downboard.
PO will be excited today with Bitcoin closing above 86. He'll be frothing, man. I enjoy. I like he's as PO grows up and evolves. I'm liking his Bitcoin arc. It's good.
He is running his own show now too, which is exciting. I like that.
Really?
Yeah, it's as in like he just runs an extra show interviewing people.
That's cool. So, are they Bitcoin people mostly? I'm guessing.
No, it's a mixture. I think it's a mixture. I can't remember. He interviewed someone recently that was like a DeFi trader or something. I can't remember. It was like, it's different people. So I kind of like it.
I like PO. His content's good. So the other guys are great, but it can be a bit manic for me sometimes. With PO, I think is Nick's good, man. In fact, they're all good.
I love it. Yeah, man. Easy and Kicks, like they're all great. Yeah, I'd love to go to America and play golf with Easy and Kicks one day. That would be a goal. Or they come over to Oz and I play golf with them. That would be a goal.
Kicks cracks me up, dude.
Yeah,
he fucking
funny lads.
Up. What's with the nose strip, man? What's he?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. But wait, Craig, I don't know if you've ever. I've seen a few things. If you actually open it up, if you have like strong, tight nasal cavities, and you struggle for breathing or you struggle for snoring, I believe that's what it does. It opens up your nasal cavity and allows you to breathe better throughout the night, and then obviously throughout the day.
And obviously, Kix has evolved from during the night, and he's just decided more oxygen during the day is
Like,
ideal.
I want to breathe. I want to breathe. I want to get that fresh oxygen.
I might put myself on one of those big breathing machine apparatus things, for sleep apnea people. I might just walk around with one of those, just say to Kix, I'm upping the game, man. I'm getting pure oxygen all day. What's a hyperbaric chamber or some shit?
Something like that. So
anyway, chat, we're looking sexy. Things are good. Greeny's won some road tracing. Bitcoin's above 87,000 at the moment, and we are above the 200-day moving average. Greeny, I see you just tweeted.
Yeah, bags are pumping, guys. Make sure if you're in some trades, take some profit.
I am seeing the screenshot P&Ls go up. It's
Mate, my BTC longs at 260%, my Solana longs at 190%, my ETH longs at 130%, and I'm only on low leverage 20, 20, and 50, so it's not even that high. Like BTC a little bit higher, but I mean, like, yeah, some altcoins are a little bit lower. Cetus 90%. So,
are you longing any alts at the moment, Greeny?
Yeah, Cetus, Render, and a couple others. I didn't call it Jupiter. I did call it GTG. A couple others I didn't. They're lower. Just I allocate a little bit to them. So yeah.
No, good times. We should see plenty of P&Ls, and it'd be nice to see the timeline get a bit excited again. I wouldn't mind a bit of a Hopium sort of adrenaline kick from the timeline. Thanks, timeline. Get excited. Get me pumped.
Absolutely. So yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Craig and I'll see you again next Tuesday. Wait, am I good for next Tuesday? No, Craig, I can't do next Tuesday. So I'll see you all next Wednesday and Thursday. Next Tuesday, I'm on the SwiftDex podcast again. So we're driving down to Brizzy.
Cool.
Catch up with those boys. So it should be fun. But yeah, as always, enjoy your weekends, guys. Stay safe as always. And obviously, if you're new here, like the video, drop us a follow. Greeny trades, Craig's Coin Purse. We're both growing the brand, but we'll bring you content. We've brought you content now for over a year and a half. So yeah, jump on, support us. We very much appreciate it. Craig, have a lovely weekend, mate.
You too, my bro. We'll speak soon, Greeny, and speak soon, everyone. And good luck on the Bitcoin and on the timeline. We'll see you there.
See you there, guys.